Hi, this is probably the shortest video ever on sharing files with others. Of course, we all know NFS and SMB to share files with, but you can also use the HTTP server module of Python. Now I'm logged into two different Linux machines and will share a file from the top machine and download it to the bottom machine. To do this, I create a directory and I cd to it, and then I create a file with some text in it. Then I share the contents of the directory using the HTTP server module with a random port, and I run it in the background. So I list my active firewall zone and check its ports, and there are none. So we add the port to the public zone, and now this file can be downloaded using an HTTP GET request on that port. First I get the header to check out if it's really the file that I want, and then I finally download it. And that's it.